Hello, all my snowflakes. I am so sorry for not posting any videos lately. I unfortunately caught COVID, finally. Guess after 2.5 years I had to catch it at some point. But anyways, I have an exciting video today. If you guys have seen my TikTok, I've been trying out Jessica Rabbit. And I decided, since the wig that I was using for her is kind of meh, I would go ahead and get a dedicated Jessica wig and gloves, and then we'll see how the cosplay turns out. But I just got my wig and my gloves in the mail, so I'm going to unbox those, compare my new wig to the one that I've been using, which is not even a real Jessica wig, it's like a substitute. And you'll see why when I get to it. But let's go ahead and unpackage the gloves first, since that's what's on top. These are really pretty, and they look like her actual color. I don't know how they're gonna fit, because they're more, I mean, I'm sure they're one size, not, but these feel so nice. They're like satin. Oh, I love it. Okay. Ooh, nice. And they each have their own little cardboard thingy to keep them nice. This one is the right hand, okay. That's not enough to give you nightmares. Alright. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about these, because my Elsa gloves, ooh, they kind of make it difficult to do much of anything. And these like go almost all the way up to my shoulder. But, ooh, I like these. These are classy. I like them a lot. Ooh. And they feel really nice. They don't feel like cheap. Love them. Let's try the other ones on. And I will link all of the stuff that I got in the description. I think these were like $8. So they weren't bad at all, and they're good quality for the price, I guess is what I'm trying to say here. Oh jeez. Wait. Hold on. They're twisted. I like these a lot. Oh my gosh. Okay. These are so pretty. Ooh. There's not much to show on these. And they can still breathe. They're not like really heavy. I love it. Okay, these were a good call. These were a very good call. Now, if I can get them off, that's the question. I'll probably put these back on at the end of the video. I'll do like a full look of the cosplay pieces that I got today, and then the oldish one. Okay, and here's the wig. She looks so pretty. And it does come with a wig cap, it looks like, but I'm going to use my tried and true double-ended chalky thingy, because I know it works. And I believe this is a 28-incher. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. Okay, doesn't say how long she has. Oh, no, it comes with a cute little hair tie. I may actually keep this. That's pretty. Okay. So let's take her out of the net. Oh my god. Oh wow. Whoop. Wait, hold on. Just tangle on something. I don't know what. There we go. once I take the tissue out, look how pretty she is. Oh my gosh, and she's so long. I'm in love. I am so in love. Oh my gosh. And she's got the little hooks on the inside so you can adjust it to your head. I love this. And this is nice. I've never had a wig that's done this before. It has little maintenance instructions on the inside. So gorgeous. And this is like a true Jessica color. Now, here's the new wig. And here's the old ratty thing I've been using for her. Look at the difference in those. Now, I'm not going to knock trash on the old one because that was actually my Frozen 1 auto wig. Just unbraided. I mean, it looks good from the side if you're looking at the side that doesn't have the blonde streak in it. Otherwise, you can tell right away it's on it, and it looks kind of bad. Okay, so I'm going to hook this down for right now. But oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to put my wig cap on and show you guys the old wig first. And then I'll pop on the new one. Ooh, and she kind of looks like she could be a skin top. It's a hard front, but looks like it could function as that. Don't fall off the desk. Okay. And I think she was like 17 bucks. So, not too bad. Alright. I'm gonna be looking like an egg for a minute, excuse me. Oh, ouch. This is always the fun part of putting on a wig, is looking like an egg. I'm not going to worry about pinning this down, although I probably should. Okay, so here's the old wig. She works in a pinch, I'll be honest. But she's not the best that we could do. Like, not the best at all. Especially because the bangs being the way that they are. I mean, she can kind of work if you pull the hair over your eyes. But then, like I said, you have the blonde streak. And it's like, why? This wig has definitely seen better days. She's kind of been abused, unfortunately. But yeah, I've kind of got the Jessica look going on for this one. This is like more Jessica in real life. And okay, let's take her off. Ugh. I brushed her just recently and she still looks bad. Right, and now the cartoon Jessica. Now I may have to work with the bangs on this one to get that swoopy effect that Jessica has. Yeah, I definitely will. Yeah, I know I didn't do them on the same side. That's alright. Oh, this looks so pretty. Oh wait, no. It's supposed to be this side. That's over her eyes. Whoops. Okay, there we go. I should have brought my wig brush in, but I didn't think to. So, I love this wig so much. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. And it feels nice and soft. Probably because it's brand new. I may have to spray this a little bit so that the bangs come over my eye without me constantly having to pull on it, but oh, I love it. So gorgeous. And I haven't seen myself as a redhead in a while. Okay, so now let me go put my substitute dress and my gloves on, and I will be right back to show you guys the semi-finished look. I'll be right back. Okay, right away, these gloves are so much easier to work with than my Elsa wig, my Elsa ones. So here's the semi-finished look. I know the dress is the wrong color, don't come for me, it's what I had. But with the wig, let me get this out of my face. With the wig and the gloves, it looks so good. And I've got that, I'm gonna fall over, that thigh slit that she has. There we go. Oh, it feels so much like Jessica, I love it. Okay, so I will probably get a new dress once this whole COVID thing gets sorted out with me and work. But this wig looks fabulous. I love it. The gloves. Oh, it's so pretty. I am feeling like a cartoon vixen. I kind of want to try an impression of her, but I don't know if I should. I'll try it anyways. What the heck? I'm not really bad. I'm just drawn that way. That was probably so terrible. Oh my god. But I had to. Classic Jessica line. Okay. So, this is my work in progress Jessica Rabbit cosplay. And like I said, I will link the wig and the gloves in the description, and maybe the dress if it's still available. I don't know. Alright. I love all you little snowflakes, and I will see you all in the next video. I'm going to try to edit in that little kiss effect that she does in the movie, but see ya!